Okay, we're going to do a little video here. We're going to talk about the first four skills you'll see on a Big 20, which is multiplying and dividing by powers of 10. Now, when you multiply or divide by power of 10, that is 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, these are all powers of 10, 10 to the first power, second power, third power, and so on. We'll get into the exponents later. But for now, there is a shortcut that you can use when you are multiplying or dividing by a power of 10. And really, if you look, we have 2 times 10. Well, I know that's an easy problem, and hopefully we all know that that's 20. But the easy way to think about that is you take the number 2 you start with. The number 2 really has a decimal point right after the 2. So it's 2. And when we multiply it by 10, we can move that decimal one place to the right, and our 10 becomes a 20. And you know that 2 times 10 is 20. So a shortcut when you're multiplying by a power of 10 is to just move the decimal one place when you multiply by 10. 2 times 100. Think about it. If you had 2 $100 bills, what do you got? You have 200. 2 times 100 is 2, and we move the decimal 2 places. Now we've got a 200. Same, 2 times 1,000. Notice there are 3 zeros in that 1,000. We're going to move the decimal 3 places to the right. 2 times 1,000, 2,000. So when you're multiplying by a power of 10, you can count the zeros, 1, 2, or 3, and move the decimal that many places to the right. Now the converse applies when you're doing a division problem. 2,000 divided by 1,000. So now we're dividing by a power of 10. We're going to move our decimal to the left 1, 2, 3 places. So 2,000 divided by 1,000, we start with our 2,000. There's your decimal. And when you move that decimal 1, 2, 3 places to the left, you end up with 2. 2,000 divided by 1,000? Yeah, that makes sense. That would be 2. 2,000 divided by 100. We're going to move the decimal 1, 2 places, and we end up at 20. And 2,000 divided by 10. Move the decimal 1 place to the left, and you get 200. So that's a shortcut you can use when you're multiplying or dividing by powers of 10. That is 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Just move the decimal. When you're multiplying, you move the decimal to the right, the number of zeros. When you're dividing, you move your decimal to the left, the same number of zeros you have in your dividends. Hope that helps.